The apex predator of the sea, the top of the food chain, is matriarchal, which means a female leads the entire colony. Introduce orca or killer whale. Did you know that orca, or orca, is actually a dolphin? Orca is included in the Delphinidae family in scientific taxonomy. The main distinguishing characteristic of dolphins, or Delphinidae, has teeth and one blowhole, distinguishing them from baleen whales, which have a pair of blowholes. Male orca can live on average from 29 years until 60 years of lifespan. Female orca can live on average from 50 years until 100 years of lifespan. There are three broad categories of orca based on their genetics, prey, and habitat. Those are residents, transients, and offshore. Resident orcas tend to live near the Pacific shore and eat primarily fish. Transient orcas tend to be more nomadic and eat mostly mammals like seals, sea lions, and cetaceans. Offshore orcas stay away from the coast and are rarely found by researchers. Based on observation, they eat sharks and fish. You hear it right, some of them eat sharks, including the great white shark. Regardless of that, they don't feed on humans. There are 0 human death records from wildlife orcas. In fact, many people safely dive near orcas without a cage. Orcas live, stay, and thrive within a group consisting of a matriarch, the oldest female orca, with her child, her grandchild, and other matrilineal relatives. This group of orcas is called pod, or matriline. Orca pods hunt, play, and even communicate with the combination of their sounds. Each orca family member survives and even thrives in the ocean due to leadership of their most experienced and insightful matriarch. Orca also has a vocal language. They pass this vocal language from generation to generation, just like humans. Orcas make combinations of sound and have their dialects. The dialect can be different between pods and their region. Orcas from Norwegia have different dialects than orcas from Canada. Orca pods that share similar dialects will socialize with each other. It sometimes can be an opportunity for some mature orca to mate with another mature orca from a different pod. After they mate, the female orca goes back to her family, while male orca goes back to his mother. Unlike most traditional human parenting roles, offspring will be taken care of by their mother, maternal uncle, and maternal grandmother, or the matriarch. The oldest daughter of the matriarch will be the next matriarch after the matriarch dies. Orcas use their sounds as echolocation to notice their environment and potential food source. They cooperate to find and catch their prey. Highly experienced oldest female as the matriarch plays a massive role in finding and catching prey and passing their knowledge. It is just an overview of orca. You might like to learn more about orca and would love them to keep existing and thrive in the ocean. There are many ways to preserve their existence, like optimizing salmon and herring population, the primary food source for resident orcas, and decreasing ocean pollution. We also need to learn more about each type of orcas and their vulnerabilities to human interference. If you are interested in life science, especially about animals, from a more female-centric perspective, subscribe to Biociety and turn on full notification so you'll be updated on our newest video. Thank you and see you later.